So, shall I start, sir?
Please start.
So, Sita's husband used to work in the city and did not have much time to come to the village and take care of the family. She understood the situation and took the responsibility of her child and in-laws. She used to take him to school besides homework. She also ensured that her son was taking part in extracurricular activity. She engaged the household task very efficiently. Over a period of time, her son grew up to become a fine young man with good social etiquettes.
ठीक है. I can't say that there is anything wrong with the story. But thing is that you have taken a very, very broad outlook towards the picture in writing your story. Thing is that इसमें कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है ना, रो रही है ये लेडी, है कि नहीं?
सर,
और बच्चा बहुत छोटा है.
हाँ सर, बच्चा छोटा है सर।
और वो रो रही है. इसको आपने बिल्कुल इन चीजों को बिल्कुल ही इग्नोर करके चले हो ना.
सर,
तो इफ यू वुड हैव टेकन दैट इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट के क्या इशू हुआ जिसके वजह से ये सैड थी या क्या बात थी, वैसा कुछ लिखते तो इन माय व्यू दैट मे हैव बीन समवॉट बेटर. आई कांट से दैट योर स्टोरी इज रॉन्ग.
सर,
समझ रहे हैं बात?
यस सर।
Anyone, any queries or any points? Nobody? Okay, if nobody has any points or any queries, then we can move ahead to the next story.
So that is the second picture. Ram was the manager at a museum. He observed the long queues before the ticket counter and saw a lot of manpower was being wasted in managing the crowd. He approached a software firm and asked to develop an app for the ticket booking and museum advertising as well. The app was ready within a month. He, with the help of his team, advertised the app and gradually crowd was reduced and the number of visitors increased.
This is okay.
Sir,
No issues with that. This is an okay and acceptable story.
shall I move on, sir?
Anyone, any queries, any points? Okay, fine. There are no queries, no points, then move ahead.
Mohan, a CBI agent, got the tip that some kind of the illegal activities are going on in a building. Building was well guarded and security was at peak. He called his team, explained the situation, and made a plan to carry out the operation. Initially, they disguised as civilians, did the recce of the building and surrounding area. Once the suspicion was confirmed, they raided the place and exposed a massive counterfeit operation. Mohan was happy and congratulated his team.
Okay, this story is also okay. The only observation I have is that if it had been more specific, then it would be better. कि एग्जैक्टली ये क्या क्लेंडस्टाइन काम हो रहा था, ठीक है ना? और क्या कंफर्मेशन मिली और क्या इन्होंने किया स्पेसिफिकली, वो इसमें कुछ नहीं है.
Okay, sir. So,
Take the
I,
point.
yes, sir, I have to be more specific about the operation and the action which I take in the story.
That is, that would make it more relatable and better वो होगा. ना
Right, sir.
जनरलिटीज में नहीं चलना है.
Right, sir.
Anyone else, any comments, any views? नहीं है. ओके, चलो आगे.
This is the next picture. Mary had a keen interest in making wax sculptures, but her father wanted her to focus on her studies. She had a discussion with her father, explained her situation, and promised him that she will focus on her studies equally. Her father agreed and let her take part in sculpturing activities. Over a period of time, Mary became a renowned artist and also completed her graduation with flying colors. Her family was very happy.
ठीक है, ये स्टोरी इज मेक सेंस. कोई इशू नहीं है. खाली जो है, मैरी जो होगी ना, उसका नाम MARY होगा, है? ये
Right.
मैरी होता है, मैरी मेकिंग वाला, वो नाम नहीं होता.
Okay,
ठीक है.
sir.
बाकी तो कोई इशू नहीं है। या एनीवन, एनी क्वेश्चंस? नो पॉइंट्स?
That is the last picture.
हम्म।
Ram, 20-year-old college student, used to live in Ramakrishna Society, New Delhi. One day he observed that a child was calling for help from the window. He immediately went there and saw that the door was bolted from outside. He opened the door and consoled the child. He gave him water and took him out to the society garden. He called his parents and asked about their whereabouts and told them about the situation. After some time, his parents arrived and thanked Ram for the help.
तो ये लॉकअप हो कैसे गया था?
सर ये जस्ट लाइक दैट आई थॉट कि पेरेंट्स पहले हो रहे थे, बच्चा सो रहा था तो बाहर कुछ शॉपिंग करने गए यहीं पे बाहर सोसाइटी के मार्केट में।
कुछ मतलब आना चाहिए ना, अनआंसर्ड क्वेश्चन नहीं रहने चाहिए ना कि क्यों, क्या हो गया।
ये सर आई थॉट अबाउट दैट बट देन आई थिंक कि स्टोरी थोड़ी लंबी हो जाएगी इसलिए सो आई एलिमिनेटेड दैट पार्ट।
क्लैरिटी तो होनी चाहिए, हाँ। कि
सर
कोई क्या हुआ, क्या क्यों बंद हो गया, क्या वो हुआ, तो दैट थिंग शुड बी देयर। और वैसे तो क्या लग रहा है कि ये कुछ झांक के देख रहा है वो, नॉट अपियरिंग टू बी कि वो कुछ ट्रबल में है सच एंड ही इज इन नीड ऑफ हेल्प। ही इज पीपिंग इनसाइड टू नो समथिंग। एनीवे,
आई थिंक दैट द लिटिल बॉय इज इनसाइड द home and he's peeping outside and the main character is outside, sir.
Sir, it seems like the other person is inside the room. And the door type structure seems to be the door of a cupboard.
कुड बी दैट इज देयर। वो सब मतलब क्लैरिटी नहीं है, कुछ पर्दा सा भी आ रहा है, उसमें से झांक के देख रहा है वो। बट देर इज एम्बिगुइटी इन द पिक्चर, को ऐसे क्रिस्टल क्लियर नहीं है। एनीवे, तो एक्सेप्टेबल है ये स्टोरी जो उन्होंने बनाई है, कुछ आई हैव नो नथिंग अगेंस्ट इट। ठीक है ना, बट क्लैरिटी थोड़ी और होनी चाहिए कि क्यों बंद हो गया, क्या हुआ।
सर
तो दैट इज व्हाट इट इज। तो इतना ही था आपके स्टोरीज।
यस सर।
ओके, ठीक है, आपकी स्टोरी, नो इश्यूज।